I'm going to be making pico de gallo today. I'm using 2 tomatoes, part of a yellow onion, part of a jalapeno, and some cilantro. First of all, I'm going to dice up some tomato. If you have a food processor, you can use that. This really isn't going to be that much. I'm only using 2 tomatoes, so I'm going to just dice it by hand. Okay, there's my tomatoes diced up. Next I'm going with my onion. I'm only using half of this. You can use as much as you want on any of these ingredients, depending on how you like it. So just be creative. And there you got your chopped up onion. Next I'm going to use a portion of this jalapeno. Depending on how hot you want it, you can use however much you want. I don't like my stuff hot, so I'm going to use this little amount. And there's my cilantro, or my jalapeno. Next, I'm using the cilantro. Some people don't like this. The flavor of this, they say it tastes like soap, but I think it's real good. They sell it in bunches, so you can use however much you want out of that bunch. And just chop it. Okay, now you're just going to want to mix this all together. This is really simple. And the more you let it set, the more the flavors will blend with each other. And like I said, you can use it on everything, pretty much like a salsa type salsa. And there you got your pico de gallo. Very simple. Okay, and with those chips I made in a previous video, you can go ahead and try out your pico de gallo. Tastes good.